Hello and very warm welcome to Raflims. This is Farooq Hussain. The most common issue with the DSpace or the DSpace-CRIS is to keep continue the server, the front end or the back end. Either we close the terminal. We need to continue the terminal to keep continue the server. I mean the front end or the back end. So here I have three solutions, so let me share with you. So this is what actually I found and would like to share. Here I have installed the DSpace on a VMware. I mean on a VM. This is the VM, and here is the Windows 11, and I actually install the um, what I said, um, DSpace-CRIS on this VM. So let it come. Try to come, but I don't know. Okay. Okay. Now it's okay. So let us start. Okay. So the very first solution is to run this command in the Angular in the front end. So it will actually continue the server without either we close the terminal. And this command is actually called nohup, and this we need to run it. The But this is might be temporary. uh the second is called, again we need to run this command to start the server machine front end, and this is called the screen or tmux. This is actually interactive section session. When we run this command, we need to press Control A, then D. It will deattach the terminal and it will keep continue. The third one is to install the PM2. PM2 is actually recommended for production machine. If you are working with a production machine, or you need to keep continue your terminal, I mean your server without, I mean either we close the terminal or we off the terminal, it will keep continue. But you need to keep continue the server, of course, in any case. Okay. So let us start our system first. So I just press the Control Alt T, and here activate the admin mode and then the password, and I am going to install this one. And through npm we will install this. It's quite easy. This command will install the PM2. PM or npm install gpm2. So okay, so we have installed it, and the next thing we need to start our DSpace. So we need to work with the, if you want to learn how we can install the DSpace 8 or the DSpace-CRIS, so there are videos available on my channel, so you can have them. Okay, so what we will do, we will start the services first. Okay, so at first we are going to start the PostgreSQL, that is the database of DSpace. Then we need to stop the solar, and then restart it. if you don't use force here, so it will not actually stop or start. That's why I actually add the force. And then in last, I'm going to start the Tomcat service. That is actually the server of DSpace or DSpace-CRIS. Now all three services, three services we have started. And now let us enter to the Angular directory. Uh, Front end, where we have installed the Angular. I think it's available at OPT. So we are in the front end directory, and now we need to start this. So we can simply use this command, not this one. Simply we can start with this yarn start, or we can use, if you have a memory issue, so you can use this command. And instead of these two commands, we have this solution to work with pm2. pm2 actually will start it quickly and keep continue, so we can use this command. Copy here. Now you can see this command, this one. What we actually going to do, we are going to start the server main.js, and that is the name is DSpace front end, and we are assigning 6 GB to this right now. Okay. And boom, now it has online, it's quickly started, and we can continue with this. So you can see this is pm2, and now let us start. Even we can close this. Let me close this. So okay. Localhost 8000, and the server is actually the called the backend, and the localhost 4000 is the front end. It's here. And even we close the terminal. Now see, let me going to close this. So exit, exit, and it's closed now. And let me log in here. So I can write dspace at localhost. I can log in here, so you can see it's working fine. Even we close the terminal, and there's no terminal available here, so you can see. So through this method, you can easily resolve the issue of terminal. There's no need to keep continue with the terminal. Even you can open terminal again, and you can start over whatever you want to do. Now even you close the this browser and you can restart it again. It will continue. See, and there's no terminal actually. There's no terminal. So keep watching Reframe. Thank you very much for your time, and of course, like this video, subscribe this channel, and please share it.